Hey everyone, pumpkin season has arrived and today we're making homemade pumpkin puree. It is super easy and you're not going to have to wonder what's in your can anymore. Let's get started. Start by washing and patting your pumpkin dry. Make sure when you're picking out your pumpkins, you pick the ones that say pie pumpkins. These are special for pumpkin puree. They're sweeter. Now we're just going to go ahead and chop off the stem. And then just go ahead and slice in half. Now we're just going to go ahead and scoop out all of the seeds, and the seeds are great for roasting. They're super healthy for you and they make a great snack. Now that we have them all nice and cleaned out, we're going to go ahead and place these in a baking dish. And then we're going to just drizzle with some neutral oil. This next part is optional, but I like to season my pumpkins with cinnamon and pumpkin pie spice. Again, it is optional. You don't have to do that. You can save your seasonings for later. And then just go ahead and massage all the oil into the pumpkins. And then just go ahead and place the cut side down so they don't dry out. Bake in the oven at 350 degrees until they're nice and tender. When you can poke a knife through with ease, then they're usually done. They should be tender and soft and mushy like this. Make sure to let them cool before step number 2. And now that the pumpkin is nice and cool, you can go ahead and scoop into your dish. And now you're just going to pour in a 1/4 cup of water to a blender. Then just go ahead and add in your pumpkin. You want to do this in batches, that way you can make sure that it's nice and smooth. And top with just a little more water and go ahead and blend. If you find that the pumpkin is too thick and the blender is not blending, go ahead and stop the blender, stir it, add just a little bit more water to get it going again, and repeat if necessary. You want to make sure that it's a thick consistency like a puree and not watered down. You want to make sure all the stringy and chunky bits are gone. And then once it's done, go ahead and pour that into your bowl or container, whatever you're going to store that in. A 2.5 pound pie pumpkin can produce about 1 3/4 cup of pumpkin puree. I roasted about 6 pie pumpkins because I am making everything pumpkin. I mean, I'll be making pumpkin pie, pumpkin bread, pumpkin soup, pumpkin butter, pumpkin frappuccinos, everything pumpkin. 'Tis the season. I hope you enjoy, and until next time, happy baking. Bye!